taste right. No wonder why. I think it needs a new filter. Oh, hi! Today we're gonna learn how to change a filter. So the filter is right here in the fridge. Stuffed already. So you see the filter's right there. So we need to pull it out and put it back. Okay, so this is the new filter. So first we need to take the plastic off. It's gonna be a bit hard. Let me show you how to pull it down. You turn left, and then you pull it down. Oh, there's water spilling. Oh, there we go. Okay, you see the arrow here, and you see an arrow there. You push it up, and then you turn right, not left. See how the water works with the new filter. Oh, that is fast. It's pretty good. Bye. Subscribe and like, please.